Welcome to our channel ERP Experts. Today we are going to talk about circular supply chains. Turning waste into profit with smart resource planning. Imagine a world where waste isn't the end of a product's life cycle, but the beginning of something new. Welcome to the era of circular supply chains, where businesses turn waste into profit with smart resource planning. Let's dive into how this game-changing approach is transforming industries. Understanding circular supply chain. Traditionally, supply chains followed a linear path: raw materials, production, consumption, and then waste. But this model is costly and unsustainable. Enter circular supply chains, a system where materials are continuously repurposed, reused, or recycled, reducing waste and maximizing value. Leading industries like automotive, fashion, and electronics are already embracing this shift, saving billions while reducing environmental impact. Turning waste into profit, the smart way. So, how does waste become a business asset? The answer lies in smart resource planning. Companies are using advanced analytics, AI-driven forecasting, and IoT sensors to track, recover, and reintegrate materials efficiently. Take Adidas, for example. Their Futurecraft Loop project is a fully recyclable shoe designed to be reprocessed into new footwear, eliminating waste entirely. Technologies powering circular supply chains. Technology is the backbone of circular supply chains. AI helps predict demand and optimize material flow, IoT sensors track product life cycles, and blockchain ensures transparent material sourcing and waste management. Businesses using these smart tools not only reduce waste but also unlock new revenue streams by repurposing byproducts into valuable commodities. Real-world success story. Many companies are already leading the way. For example, IKEA now designs furniture with recyclable materials, while Unilever has committed to a fully circular plastic packaging system. Beyond sustainability, these efforts boost profitability, reducing raw material costs, minimizing waste disposal fees, and attracting eco-conscious customers. How businesses can get started. If you're a business looking to adopt a circular supply chain, here's how to start. Checkmark. Audit your waste streams. Identify where materials can be recovered. Checkmark. Invest in smart technology. Use AI, IoT, and data analytics for better tracking. Checkmark. Collaborate with suppliers. Work with partners who support circular practices. Checkmark. Educate consumers. Encourage product returns and recycling initiatives. The future of circular supply chains. The future of supply chains isn't just about moving products, it's about regenerating resources. Businesses that embrace circular supply chains today are building a more profitable, sustainable tomorrow. If you found this video insightful, hit that like button and subscribe for more supply chain innovations. What are your thoughts on circular supply chains? Let us know in the comments below.